In this lesson, you will learn how to ask questions about the future using the expression going to. We use going to when we talk about plans or decisions made before the time of speaking. For example, you can ask questions like, "Are you going to travel?" or "Is he going to study?" Understanding this structure helps you talk naturally about future intentions or predictions in English. To form a question with going to, move the verb to be before the subject. The structure becomes to be, subject, going to, and the base form of the main verb. Let's look at examples. You are going to travel changes to are you going to travel. He is going to call her becomes is he going to call her. They are going to study becomes are they going to study. This small change in word order turns a statement into a clear question about the future. For yes or no questions using going to, we use short, simple answers with the correct form of the verb to be. For example, are you going to study tonight? The short answers are, yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Is she going to the party? Becomes yes, she is, or no, she is. Always make sure the short answer matches the subject and the correct form of to be. To make information questions with going to, begin with a question word, such as who, what, when, where, why, or how. After that, use the correct form of to be, followed by the subject and going to. For example, what are you going to do tomorrow? Where is he going to stay? When are they going to leave? Who is she going to meet? Each question focuses on specific information, not just a yes or no answer. Now, let's practice changing statements into questions. When you see a sentence like you are going to play football, ask, are you going to play football? Similarly, she's going to buy a new phone becomes is she going to buy a new phone? They are going to visit London changes to are they going to visit London? Try this method for any sentence using going to. It's a great way to improve fluency and build confidence with question patterns. Learners often make word order mistakes with going to. Remember, the correct order is the verb to be, then the subject, then going to, and the base form of the main verb. Don't say, are going to you watch the game? Say, are you going to watch the game? Don't say, is she going call him? It should be, is she going to call him? Also, avoid adding s after the verb, such as are they going to plays tomorrow. The correct form is, are they going to play tomorrow? Always use the base form of the verb after going to. Here are short dialogues to hear how going to questions sound in real conversations. Are you going to the concert tonight? Yes, I am. What about you? I'm not sure yet. I might be busy. Another one is he going to cook dinner? No, he is. He's going to order pizza. Practice these dialogues to learn rhythm, pronunciation, and natural tone while speaking English. Let's review the key points. To ask a question with going to, move the verb to be before the subject. Use short answers like yes, I am, or no, he is. Add a question word to create what, where, when, and who questions. Think about your own future plans and use going to ask questions. For example, what are you going to do this weekend? Try using these patterns in daily conversation to make your English sound clear and natural.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.